Okay, see, it's moments like this when you realize what they mean by good help is hard to find.
Hey squad, and happy Mother's Day. As an appetizer for my guest, I decided to make a seafood boil. Here you see I already have crab claws, one lobster, and about a pound of shrimp. I decided to add the corn and the potatoes just to kind of make it a little bit more of a seafood boil for them. So I am reheating some shrimp and crab claws that I had. And I'm going to make some butter sauce to dip them in. And yeah, they look pretty good. This is one lobster tail that we have. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and make a butter sauce. And I will show you guys that in a second. The other day, my grill dry rotted and fell apart. And I asked my son to help me remove it from my deck. And in the process of me doing that, I was explaining to him that I wanted to actually grill some stuff for my mom for Mother's Day. And look at what this kid did for me today. He bought me a whole grill, and y'all know I love accessories, so he got me a grill cover this time so that I don't ruin this one. I've got gloves, a cutting board, and I have a whole new kit, a Pit Boss kit set, and oh my god, it is so pretty. I love a good clean grill. I got the best kit in the world, so happy Mother's Day to all of you moms. Yeah, already got me cooking on the grill. Yeah, I know this ain't real. Okay, I have the sausage grilling on the grill right now. And so what I'm going to do while that's cooking is I'm going to show you guys how I make my quick and easy yet delicious baked beans. So what I'm going to start off here with today is I have some Italian sausage and I have some ground beef. I'm going to show you guys how I mix them together with peppers and onions and put them all together and make a delicious baked bean. Okay, we'll be making homemade hamburgers with this ground beef as well. So I'm not going to use as much of it in the baked beans. Okay, and I wanted to show you guys these buns that I have for the burgers. Okay, these are the onion buns by Pepperidge Farm. Oh my God, they are so delicious. I eat them a lot with my veggie burgers because for some reason they're flavored so well. I'm not really sure how they do it, but these buns are delicious. And so these are the buns that I'm going to use for the burgers. Help is hard to find. I'm supposed to have some help here. What do you think they mean by that? Good help is hard to find. Okay, so what I'm about to do is mix my burgers so I can get the patties and stuff all mixed together, and I'm going to add in my Lipton onion soup mix just to kind of get it into the ground beef, and I'm going to add some seasonings to it as well. All right, so I've already done garlic powder and all that, so I'm gonna put some onion powder in here along with the onion soup mix, and I'm gonna get all my burgers and my patties mixed up, and then I will show you guys once I'm done. Okay, so I'm getting my patties done. What I'm gonna also do is I want to show you guys I've got these brioche buns sandwiches out of also, and I'm gonna show you those too. These are the brioche buns that I was talking about. They're sesame, they are butter, and they look like they're gonna be good. I can't wait to try them myself on one of my veggie burgers. But yeah, so some people will be able to make sesame seed buns, and I also do have the onion buns like I showed you earlier. Okay, so I made my patties, and I've just got 5 big ones here because I've got big get enough meat on their burgers. And my mom really loves like thick burgers, so I had to make sure that I make her burgers super thick. But this is how the Lipton onion soup mix looks in the burgers. So it puts a lot of flavor. So it's a nice little mix. I would have put Worcestershire sauce. I usually do mix it, but for some reason it makes the burgers fall apart on the grill. So I didn't want to risk it. I'll put it in the actual sauce that they can put on top of the burgers. And instead of hot dog buns, I like to use these deli buns for my sausages because it allows you to be able to put the peppers and the onions and any other kind of stuff that you want to dress on them. And a lot of times, people just like to put like the ground beef and the